Hello, and welcome to this quick narration of the Moore's Law quiz that I have created, and I will be narrating for you. Alright, the first thing I like to do, a little test taking strategy, is read all the answer choices before going straight to the question. Kind of gives you a better understanding of what you're going to be looking for. Alright, first question. Moore's Law has made the cost of data processing essentially zero. So it's helped it improve so much that now it costs pretty much, like it says, essentially zero to process any data, and you would know this. You have a phone in your hand. It doesn't cost you anything to do any type of data processing. Alright, next question is going to be a true or false. Moore's Law is named after the former IBM chairman, Jason Moore. Alright, read the question really carefully. Alright, so former IBM chairman is wrong, and his first name wasn't Jason. It was actually Intel, not IBM. Alright, question 3. To keep up with Moore's Law, engineers must keep doing what to the size of transistors? Alright, so to keep up with Moore's Law fundamental is every 2 years, size of transistors get smaller. So, in order to keep up with it, they must shrink the size of the transistors. Alright, question 4. What would happen in terms of Moore's Law if chip components couldn't get any smaller? A. Then we have hit peak performance with technology and can't advance anymore. B. If the chip components can't get smaller, there are other ways to boost the computer's performance. C. Replace the chip with a microchip. Or D. None of the above. Alright. Alright, answer choice B is going to be correct. At some point, the chip is going to get to a point where you can't shrink it anymore, but that doesn't mean that you have hit peak performance, because there's other ways to boost the computer's performance. It doesn't only rely on the chip. Alright, and question number 5 is going to be one more true or false. Moore's Law is based on the steady 2-year cadence of chip improvements. Alright, if you were paying attention earlier, you would know the answer would be true. As I mentioned, 2-year and then chip improvements. That's kind of the fundamentals of Moore's Law. Alright, I hope this quick narration has helped you better understand Moore's Law and just the basic fundamentals of it. Thank you.